In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a post on your Wix website. Wix is a popular platform that allows you to create beautiful websites without needing to know any coding. Adding a blog post to your site can be a great way to engage with your audience, share information, and boost your site's visibility. So let's get started and walk through each step to ensure your post goes live effortlessly. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is where the magic happens, and it's the central hub for everything related to your site's design and content management. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your site's statistics and activities. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Pages and Menu. Go ahead and click on it. This option helps you navigate through the different pages on your site, and it's where you can manage how users access and interact with your content. Once you're in the Pages and Menu section, look for an item labeled Blog Pages. Clicking on it will open up options specific to your blog content, letting you see all your posts and giving you control over their structure and appearance on your site. Now, look out for a button marked Actions. This button is crucial as it pops up a menu of helpful tools. Among these tools, you'll find Manage Posts. Select Manage Posts to bring up a list of all your current posts, whether published or drafts. This interface lets you review existing content or create brand new posts, which is exactly what we're aiming to do today. If you're ready to craft a new post, hit Create New Post. This action will open up the post editor where you can begin by adding a title that captures the essence of your content. Then start filling in the content area with engaging text, images, or any other elements you wish to include. This editor is user-friendly, featuring tools that allow you to format your text and add multimedia exactly how you envision it. Alternatively, if you're considering updating or extending a recent post, you have the flexibility to choose one from the Latest Posts section. This option is perfect if you have ongoing topics or updates to share with your audience. Finally, once you've completed your new post or updated an existing one, it's time for the most exciting part: publishing. You'll see a Publish button at the top right corner of the screen. Click it, and just like that, your words will be out there for the world to see. With these steps, you've successfully added or updated a post on your Wix website. Engaging with your audience through fresh content is now a breeze, and it can significantly enhance your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in managing your Wix site.